Xiamen Dlight Star Technology Company Limited is one professional LED work light designer and manufacturer in Xiamen, very close to Xiamen Port. We has developed a professional R&D, technical, quality control, a large production system, and the mature management system. From product design, packing design, to production, inspection and transportation, we own independent professional team in each link to guarantee a high-quality service. We produce a wide-range series of work lights products, pen light and site light, which are widely used in automotive, construction sites, military, outdoors, etc. All products meet the CE, RoSH, ETLP or OP65 certificate requirement. And we also have patents of appearance and utility model. Our work lights help to light up their workplace or where they need. They are portable, rechargeable, and super bright. After several years' development, we have achieved great progress. A professional laboratory is built to guarantee the quality control, such as integrating sphere, high-precision automatic voltage regulator, waterproof testing chamber, key life test machine, programmable constant temp and humidity test chamber, and salt spraying tester, etc. In 2020, we built a dark room to test the light distribution of LED floodlight. Our R&D department provide the strong technical support and enable us to receive some OEM, ODM projects. We are a reliable supplier of the LED work light with 1 year's warranty. We are looking forward to get more cooperation.